YUWELL Electrical Wheelchair D130HL. Operation video for unfolding and folding. Unfolding steps. Place the D130HL electrically propelled wheelchair on the floor horizontally. Release the controller knob and turn outward by 90 degrees. Tighten the controller knob. Place the wheelchair horizontally. Hold the front seat tube with one hand and press the folding button with the other hand. Shift the center of gravity towards the folding button. Lift the electrically propelled wheelchair to unfold until the spring pin of the back folder is fully ejected, and buckle up the locking buckles on both sides. Lift the hand pushing backrest. Pull the backrest buckles on both sides. Turn 90 degrees counterclockwise and make the spring pin lock the hand push. Unfold the pedal. Press and hold the spring pin button on the anti-roll wheel. Insert it into frame hole until the marble buckles its hole of the wheelchair. Repeat above operation for the other side. Now, the unfolding is complete. Folding steps. Remove the anti-roll wheels. Press and hold the spring pin button. Hold the anti-roll wheel tube and pull it backwards to remove the anti-roll wheel assembly. Fold the pedals. Unlock the locking buckles on both sides outward by hand. Pull the backrest buckles. Turn 90 degrees clockwise. Fold the backrest. Press the wrench for folding the back on both sides inward with both hands. Push down to fold the wheelchair until the folding spring pin is buckled into the folding plastic part and the folding is complete. After folding the electrically propelled wheelchair, place it vertically for easy placement.